Rome test. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. How did the city of Rome's location lead to its success? It allowed for tourism, provided good climate, access to the Mediterranean Sea, and protection from invasion, or many mountains, limited farmland. Number 2. Which group did not settle on the Italian peninsula before Rome? Greeks, Etruscans, Vikings. Number 3. True or false? The Romans were influenced heavily by the Greeks and the Etruscans. True or false? Number 4. A republic is a system in which people elect their leaders, a system in which kings rule for life, or a system in which you must have a president. Number 5. Wealthy ruling class of the Roman Republic. Plebeians, patricians, or aristocrats. Number 6. Poor, lower-class citizens of Rome. Plebeians, patricians, or aristocrats. Number 7. Which empire's lands were conquered as a result of the Punic Wars? England, Byzantine Empire, Carthage. Number 8. Why did Roman leaders start the bread and circuses policy? To keep lower-class citizens from revolting? To keep gladiators and chariot drivers busy? Or because Roman leaders wanted to punish lower classes? Number 9. Which ruler became the last leader of the Roman Republic and dictator for life? Mr. Condit, Constantine, or Julius Caesar? Number 10. Who is known as the first emperor of the Roman Empire? Mr. Condit, Octavian/Augustus, or Constantine? Number 11. This amazing Roman engineering project brought water to Roman cities. Roads, aqueducts, or baths. Number 12. True or false? During the Pax Romana, Rome became weak and saw many wars. True or false? Number 13. True or false? Rome gains ideas about architecture, religion, science, and art from Greece. True or false? Number 14. What were the rights of women in the Roman Empire? Women often served as generals in the army. Women were able to be rulers and members of the Senate. Or women were not given the full rights of Roman citizens. Number 15. Language of Rome and basis of many modern languages. English, Latin, or Spanish. Number 16. The decline of the Roman Empire was a result of poor leadership, economic problems, invasions of outside groups, or all of the above. Number 17. What are the major accomplishments of Emperor Constantine? Check all that apply. There are 2. First ruler to fight as a gladiator. First Christian emperor. First ruler to build aqueducts. Or move the capital from Rome to Byzantium/Constantinople. Number 18. What group of civilizations invaded and eventually end the Western Roman Empire? Germanic/barbarians, North Americans, or Carthaginians? Number 19. Which is not a way that Rome has influenced our modern world? Government, architecture, entertainment. And number 20. Which emperor split the empire into eastern and western parts? Nero, Theodosius, or Claudius?